Using the pry tool, remove the driver's side panel. Start the engine in order to freely rotate the steering wheel. Turn the steering wheel to the right to access the right screw for the steering column. Turn the steering wheel to the left to access the screw on the left side. Unscrew the bottom screw on the steering column. Insert the pry tool and rotate to unlatch the cover. Do the same on the other side. Use both hands to pull off the steering column cover. Carefully maneuver the plastic casing around the steering wheel height adjustment joystick. Remove the two screws holding the lower side dash panel. Use the pry tool to remove the hidden screw cover and remove the screw. Insert the pry tool into the chrome trim above the vent to open the lower side dash panel. Disconnect the 30-pin connector and connect the T-harness in line. Make sure you hear the click. Next, locate the white casing to the right of the steering wheel column. In order to access the steering lock connector, disengage the white casing from the metal clip securing it. To do so, press on the metal clip with a flathead screwdriver. Plug the T-harness in line. Use the provided zip ties to secure the module. Installation is complete. Please refer to the guide for programming instructions.